Hello friends, welcome to Tutorials Point. In this tutorial we will see how we can save the documents which we have created in SAP Lumira. So after creating the data sets, visualizations and stories in SAP Lumira, we can save the document locally, and when you save the document, all the objects are saved with the document. So we can save the document either locally or to the Lumira cloud or to the SAP Lumira Edge server, SAP BI platform. Let's see how we get the option of saving the document. So if I go here and if I open up my SAP Lumira document and if I go to the file, I have the option of save as. If I click on the save as, I have to give the name of the document. So I am getting three different options here: to save it locally, to save it as a server for Teams, and SAP BI platform. So we are getting these options based on the profile which we have on the SAP Lumira server. So after that, if I want to save the document locally, I have to give the name. Let's say if I give demo_1. Now if I want to give any description, I can give the description here. Similarly, if I want to save it for the server for Teams, here I have to log in to the server for Teams. I have to give the username, password, authentication type. Similarly, if I want to save it to the SAP BI platform, I have to give the SAP BI platform address, username, password, authentication type, and then I can click on connect. It will ask you where you want to save the document. So this way you can create the visualizations, stories, data sets, and you can save your document at last, and you can save it in the different format and to the different servers. So this way you can save it to the cloud platform of SAP Lumira, SAP Lumira Edge server. So we are not getting this option here because of our profile, but if you have the access, you will be able to save them into the corresponding servers. So in this tutorial we have seen how we can save the documents into the different options using SAP Lumira. Thank you.